Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Destiny. We are gonna do mission 2, and let's do this. Oh wait, I want to set the difficulty a bit harder. Though, one thing that you need to know about Destiny is that the higher your level or difficulty, the rarer the items you can get. So by putting it on a high difficulty, the more likely it is you get better weapons and armor.
We were lucky to even find this ship. A Guardian can't do much to protect the city with that one. But it needs a warp drive if we ever hope to fight beyond Earth. And that Cosmodrome is the only place I know where we might still find one. We survived the falling once. We can do it again.
I like how we're going back into trouble after we just came out of it. Makes so much sense.
A Guardian ship was recently shot down here. If the Fallen haven't got to it, there might be parts we can salvage.
Now, I'm just gonna warn you, I might end up getting sidetracked a little, explore the area. If I do end up doing that, I'll, cut it out of the video or something. This is why I love the scout rifle. Powerful. Like, honestly, if you've ever played Halo, it feels a lot like a DMR. Like, I love using the DMR, so when I found out that the scout rifle's just the same, when I played the beta,
They managed to restore information up here. Down in the tunnels below. We should check it out.
yeah, so when the ghost is gonna talk or something else is talking, I'll just, stay quiet the best I can. If I can catch it in time. Now, one of the cool things about Destiny is that while it is multiplayer, the monsters end up coming back somehow. Either it's by a ship, or they just walk in. Like, they have a real nice way of having them, just come in. I can't really explain it because it's different depending on which world you are and where you go. Ooh. You have to keep your eye out for things like these because I forget what they're good for, but if anything, you can always just collect it and then find out later. Where are you? Stupid vandal. Look at that map.
What we really need to find is a warp drive, so we can jump to any planet or moon. Our only hope is where we found our ship. We have to go back.
We're going back. Going back. Back to where it all began. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I feel like that's a song, but I forgot. Alright, so we're headed which way? Try to get a little bit of XP here. Right. I really need to pay attention where I'm going. Golden chess.
Scanning for the warp drive. Bad news. It's already in fallen hands.
Ah, missed that jump.
I hope you're ready for this.
So this is basically the signal that you're entering inside a boss mission. Keep forgetting which button it is because I'm so used to playing Halo.
It's in the walls!
That was probably a bad idea. Did it just talk? Oh, I'm going back. I'm going back. Do not want to do that. Got special ammo. Oh snap, I'm almost dead, I'm almost dead. Almost dead. I do not want to die. Keep pressing the wrong button. What? Oh. Alright guys, sorry for that break. Took me a couple of tries, but I think I finally got him. Whew. Took me a while.
You just
Let me collect some of
box,
this.
and we got a warp drive. This could cripple the Fallen. We need to go see the speaker.
Yeah, it took a while. Like, if I were to film it, it probably took about 30 minutes. So, between now and the next section, I will be upgrading my character. Until then, see you guys.
There was a time when we were much more powerful. But that was long ago. Until it wakes and finds its voice. I am the one who speaks for the traveler. You must have no end of questions going. In its dying breath, the traveler created the ghosts to seek out those who can wield its light as a weapon. Guardians to protect us and do what the traveler itself no longer can.
What happened to it?
I could tell you of the great battle centuries ago. How the traveler was crippled. I could tell you of the power of the darkness, its ancient enemy. There are many tales told throughout the city to frighten children. Lately those tales have stopped. Now, the children are frightened anyway. The darkness is coming back. We will not survive it this time.
Its army surrenders. The fall is just the beginning.
What can I do?
You must push back the darkness. Guardians are fighting on Earth and beyond. Join me. Your ghost will guide you. I only hope it chose wisely.
I did. I'm sure of it. We're in this together now.